Good morning, Siouxland. I'm meteorologist Caitlin Lohr, and on today's segment of Classroom 9, I'm going to teach you about the interactions of a warm air mass and a cold air mass, also known as a warm front and a cold front. For this little project, you're going to need to do some prepping at least the day before, because you're going to need some blue colored ice cubes. And to do that, you need some blue food coloring. You're just going to drip some blue food coloring in some water and then add the water to your ice tray and put that in your freezer so it becomes ice. You're also going to want some ice cold water that is also dyed blue, some regular lukewarm water or room temperature water that is dyed red with red food coloring, and a container about the size of this or a shoebox, but it has to be clear so you can see through it, of lukewarm water. So the first step of this project is to get that lukewarm water in this container. Now, once you have that water in there, you're going to take some blue ice cubes. I'm going to take about 4, and you're going to place them in one end of the container. As you can see already, you can see some of that blue water, the blue dye falling down, and that is the cold air. That is exactly what cold air does in our atmosphere. Cold air sinks. So now we have a cold front in the bin. Now you're going to take your warm red water, and you're going to gently dump it in. And now watch what happens. The blue water stays on the bottom, while the red water rises. And to help with that a little bit more, I'm going to dump some of this ice cold blue water in there so you can see a little bit darker blue. Now as you see here, the red water stays up towards the top and the blue water stays towards the bottom. You're going to get a little bit of mixing there, but the reason for this is warm air rises while cold air sinks. So that is why when a cold front moves through, it pushes the warm air out of the way, pushes that warm air up and over the cold front so that the cold front can move through and bring us colder weather. For more projects and little lessons like this one, head over to SiouxlandProud.com under the Weather tab and click on Classroom 9.